everyone, this is Dr. Yati. Now today we are going to discuss about find the Laplace transform of the function f of t equals to cos t. The interval 0 less than t less than pi. Suppose f of t equals to sin t. T is greater than pi. Okay, here the given function f of t equals to cos t. Here define the interval t means 0 to pi. 0 less than t less than pi, and also the given function f of t equals to sin t, t greater than pi. Okay, first of all write the given function. Now in this function find out the Laplace transform here. Okay, first of all write the given function. Now by the definition of Laplace transform we have, what is the definition of Laplace transform? Laplace transform of f of t equals to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. Okay, here the given function f of t equals to cos t and sin t. Arrange the in this consideration limits, that is first of all 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t, 0 to pi e power minus st f of t dt. Next of all plus pi to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. This is 0 to pi, this is pi to infinity. Okay, now integral 0 to pi e power minus st. The given function f of t, here the limit means define the limit 0 to pi, in which the function here given function f of t 0 to pi limits cos t. So in place of f of t write here cos t. Next of all e power minus st, in which function f of t define the limits pi to infinity here sin t. So here in this limit pi to infinity, in place of f of t write sin t. Next of all here applying the formula integral e power ax sin bx dx, e power ax by a square plus b square, a sin bx minus b cos bx. Next of all integral e power ax cos bx dx means e power ax by a square plus b square, a cos bx plus b sin bx. Now applying this formula, here e power minus st cos t and e power ax cos bx formula. E power minus st by s means here a means s square plus 1 square into b means 1, b means 1. Here e power minus at, e power at cos bt, this is okay. Here a means s, b means 1. So here right. Next of all minus s cos t plus 1 sin t minus s cos t, b means 1 plus b means 1. So 1 into sin, again b means 1, here t, x means t. Next of all here also e power minus st sin t formula. In this formula applying here, that is e power minus st by s square plus 1 square minus s sin t minus cos t 0 to infinity. Next of all here after integration substituting the limits upper limit and lower limit. First of all substitute upper limit in place of t. Okay, next substitute lower limit 0. Here 0 substitute. Same way here first of all substitute upper limit in place of t. Next of all substitute lower limit in place of t pi. Okay, next here simplification will get, this is e power minus pi s by s square plus 1 into s plus 1 by s square plus 1 into s plus 0 minus, this is e power minus pi s by s square plus 1 This is 0 plus 1. Here, applying the limits, cos pi minus 1. This is plus s. Sin pi 0. Cos 0 1. This is minus s will get sin 0 0. Here, this is 0. Next of all, here, this is also 0. Cos pi means minus 1. This is only will get plus 1. So, here only write this plus 1. Next of all, s e power minus pi s by s square plus 1 plus s by s square plus 1 minus e power minus pi s by s square plus 1. S e power minus s pi, I mean pi s. Here, this 1 by s square plus 1. Here also 1 by s square plus 1. Here also 1 by s square plus 1 is there. So, here I do 1 by s square plus 1 in these three values. That is, here is there only s e power minus pi s plus s into s. Sorry, here only s is there, s minus here e power minus pi s. Next of all, 1 by s square plus 1 into, here in this value, e power minus pi s into s minus 1 plus s. This is the solution of the given Laplace transform problem. I mean, given function f of t equals to cos t, 0 less than t less than pi, sin t, t greater than pi, solution of the Laplace transform. Okay, thank you.